If you're experiencing inconsistent brews, there may be coffee grounds stuck in your brewer's entrance and exit needles. In this video, we'll walk you through how to properly clean your brewer's needles as well as the K-Cup pod holder. The process is the same for all Keurig brewers and includes 7 easy steps that should take about 10 minutes to complete. Here's what you'll need: a large ceramic mug, a clean metal paperclip, and access to a sink. Your brewer should be turned off and unplugged. The needles are sharp, so please be careful when performing the following steps. Start by removing the pod holder from the brewer. Lift the handle. Grasp the top of the pod holder with one hand while pushing up on the bottom of the pod holder from underneath with your other hand until it releases. Remove the funnel from the pod holder by pulling on the sides until it detaches. Next, locate the tube on the underside of the pod holder. Straighten one side of your metal paperclip and insert it into the tube, moving it around to loosen any clogging and remove any particles. Since we have the pod already taken apart, it's a good time to give it a cleaning. Both the pod holder and funnel should be rinsed under running water, washing thoroughly to loosen and remove any particles. You're also cleaning the exit needle, which is sharp, so be mindful of your fingers. Once complete, you can set the pod holder and funnel aside. Now, let's clean the entrance needle. Lift the brewer handle and locate the entrance needle under the brewer head. Look closely and you'll see 2 holes in the needle which we'll need to clean. The entrance needle has a very sharp point, so please be careful. Carefully insert your metal paperclip into the 2 side holes of the entrance needle and gently move the paperclip around to loosen and remove any particles. Then, safely remove the paperclip and your hands from the area. Now we can put the pod holder back into your brewer. Use 2 hands to click the funnel back into the pod holder by aligning the side slots. Then align the pod holder tabs with the opening of your brewer, placing the 2 front tabs on the bottom and the single tab on top. Snap it into place by pushing down on the top rim while holding your brewer handle with the other hand. Place a mug on the drip tray. Lift and lower the handle completely and run 2 water-only brews using the largest cup size. Do not insert a K-Cup pod for this step. That's it! Your needles are now clean and you're ready to brew.